So this is a basic Los Altos ranch home, and as you know, I love Los Altos ranch homes because they're on large lots, and what I appreciate about this remodel is that no square footage was added. I also appreciate the very excellent job they did on the drought tolerant front yard. Now, I just want to talk briefly about drought tolerant plants. They actually do take a lot of trimming care. They flower and then they need to be cut back. But they're very, very low water usage, and that's what's nice. This is a home that was owned by someone who loved their home, and what I think is really great is they did all the right things, but didn't add square footage, and everything is beautifully updated, and the house is a very scalable human space. So if we look here, this is the living room originally, and this would have been a separate room. Here's the dining room, and they just great roomed the entire property. And I think that the materials they used, this was a single man. I think they are very sophisticated and elegant. And they have a really nice, beautiful outdoor entertaining area without going completely overboard. And then, as you can see, we have more drought-tolerant landscaping. And as I said, drought-tolerant plants tend to look a little bushy. They need to be cut back, and there's a time during the year when they don't look completely awesome. I also think that the material selection is very elegant. I think this is concrete. These are probably original floors. I like the sink. As you know, I always like it when there's a nice hood over a stove. And then I think these cabinets are sleek, modern, and elegant. For me, I do love having the microwave not on a countertop. It looks so much neater, but placed into the cabinets. So this is the master bedroom suite that we're going to see first. So it looks like if something was added on, it's this extension to the master bedroom. There is like one of those small fireplaces, extra cabinetry. So I guess this is where this person did all of their TV watching. A lot of people would use this as a study area. Again, really smart use of materials. I love this elegant countertop. I think the counters or the cabinets are sleek here. And there's this nice side yard that could be used maybe as a dog run or for your fruit trees. Super smart looking, but not expensive, shower and basic commode. We're going to take a quick look. Here's our TV watching area. We're now going to take a quick look at their beautiful closet. I do think it's so nice to have a beautifully designed master closet. And then the bedrooms are just very basic. Original floors. So I think this was the original master bedroom. The reason I think that is it has more closets. And see, these are the original closets. So I like this remodel because it shows that you don't have to go overboard. You can just go overboard on those parts of the remodel that are important to you. This looks like it was done a little bit earlier. I think those are snazzy looking sconces. This was done a little earlier. I love the flooring material. This is carpet, but because it's very textured and masculine looking, I think it's just great. That looks like a Murphy bed, so this must be the study and the guest bedroom with a sweet little outdoor patio. So what's nice about this particular property is that it's not a rectangular shaped lot. So this is an entry closet, and if you look for this home, they redid the garage floor, but if you look up at the garage itself, you know, this was just a very basic ranch house, and by updating all of the materials, you end up with a home that is super desirable and not too large. So this is another fabulous ranch house remodel in Los Altos Hills, California.